The next tool is called DishGen. Now, DishGen is a free AI kitchen assistant, and what this tool does is going to help you produce recipes for you based on the ingredients that you have available at home. Type in the ingredients in the box. I'm going to type in random ingredients here. Next, click generate, and it's going to generate your recipe. So here is a recipe. You can see and the ingredients that you have to use and a step-by-step instruction on how to prepare it. So this is another one. So you can see the ingredients and the step-by-step process on how to prepare it. You can also use this tool called Let's Foodie to do the same thing. Just scroll right down at the bottom of the website, click recipe generator, and it will lead you here. Just simply type in your ingredients. I'm going to type in random ingredients: chicken, tomatoes, onion, celery, and then click generate my recipe. And voila, this is the recipe that it has generated for you. You can see the ingredients that you have to use and the step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the food. So if you want to just switch things up in your kitchen, or experiment on new recipes, or probably create a cookbook or a recipe booklet, you just try out this tool. You can always edit the text, just do some basic editing, and you're good to go.